Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of two of the most premium cases from ESR for iPhone 17 Pro Max. This one is in the olive green color and this one is in the orange color. So we will do the unboxing of these two cases, but first let me explain few things about these cases. If you can clearly see, it clearly says that this is having 7x multi-grade protection and it is versatile stash stand, which is nearby the camera bump for this case. And one more feature is that this case has a very strong magnetic lock on the back, and these are the different ways you can keep your phone standing on the tables using this stand which is around the camera corners. So first let me unbox this one. So there is some paperwork inside this. Maybe this is the manual which explains how to use this case, and this is something easy replacement with no return needed for different things are written on this one. So let me bring this out from this wrapper. So this is the beautiful case. You can see this is the olive green color, and this feels very good in the hand. It is giving a very handy feel, although this case is little heavier, which I am feeling that this case is little heavier. And this is the stand. Usually companies place these stands around this circle, but they have changed the position of the stand and they have brought this stand around the camera bump, which is the plateau in iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this will help a lot in keeping the phone standing at different positions, whatever you like, wherever you want to place your phone. So this is the cushioning inside the case. This is very thick kind of cushioning, and this is a MagSafe case, magnetic case, where you can attach your wireless chargers and wireless power banks. And the buttons are very tactile, and the case is actually separatable from the plastic back, and there is a rubber inside this case which is giving the TPU protection for this case. And you can see downside you also have this lock for the charging slot. Once you have charged your phone, you can lock this place. This lock is very helpful in a way that the dust will not go inside your charging slot. And overall this case feels very premium, and the design language is very good. Hands up to ESR for making such a pretty case. Next up, I have this same case. I have already explained few of the things. 7x military grade protection, versatile stash stand, and strong magnet on the back. And there is a stand which is very uniquely placed around the camera plateau. And this is a tough magnetic case, and this is the Cyber series. Both these cases are from the Cyber series, and this one is in the orange color. You can see how pretty this one looks, similar to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is in the orange color. This one is also in orange color, and the stand comes in the silver color, which is giving very beautiful combination of the orange and the silver color. Inside there is a lot of protection. This is a 7x military grade protection, and it helps your phone to stay protected in such a premium case, which is although very heavy, but for such a costly device, such cases are very useful and very handy. Similarly, this is the lock for the charging slot. Once you have charged your phone, you can instantly lock this place so it does not go inside. One thing which I did not mention, that this case also has this speaker like ports. Very minute ports are here, which will help your iPhone speakers in a way that the dust will not go away. Dust will stay inside these and your phone will be protected. Similarly, this is for the action button, and it is also very tactile and handy. And this one is for the power button, and here we have these very beautiful cushion buttons for volume up, volume down, and this one is for the action button. Inside the case looks very soft and very premium. Sides are made of rubber and back is of kind of TPU plastic, and this is the magnetic area. It is a very strong magnet. The phone attaches very firmly with this magnet. You can attach your battery packs and your wireless chargers around this circle, and this will help your phone get charged. I feel like these cases are very premium and they look very good, although the prices are not very high, but these are one of the best cases. So I have brought these cases for you to help you check them out, and made a review of these cases. This hinge is also very strong, it feels very good in the hand, and it is kind of tactile also. It closes very firmly with the plateau. So moving next, I want to show you further details of this. Let me bring my iPad if you can clearly see. So these are the details, these are different color options you can see here. You can choose from these different colors. So compatibility is written, and there are different descriptions you can find. I will put the link down for these cases, which you can check later on, and in this way you can also help the channel. So this was all about for these two cases. Two colors actually. The one was this orange color, and this one was in olive color. So these are very pretty, very premium cases, and I highly suggest that you go and check them out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.